if I was to summarize it in a few words, I'd say that we very much have an owner's mindset. So we build buildings, we manage buildings, we develop buildings. And I think that sets us apart in terms of how we protect value and enhance assets and deliver what our clients are looking for in their own objectives.
We offer services including property management, facilities management, property management accounting, and also corporate reporting. In addition to this, we offer integrated facilities management as well, so going onto the occupier floors and delivering their services to them directly.
We do take elements of learning from those different projects. We think about things like placemaking, things like events, and how can some of that be brought to our learnings as it relates to commercial assets.
Technology is really key in terms of helping buildings progress in terms of the information that we can get out of them. So for example, we use a building optimization tool, and that helps us look at our energy consumption across the building. We also utilize an app here which all tenants have access to, and the app, it can show you for example, the air quality sensors without the building, so how good the air is in the area that you're sitting, in reception and etc. And then you can also utilize that to book your locker space downstairs in the basement and see what events are on. And again, the occupier engagement is really key from the outset.
As well as the changing rooms, we have cycle store facilities, we have drying facilities for your wet clothes if you go out running or if you come in the rain. So everybody gets the opportunity to have these amazing services.
It's great to provide great amenities as a way of enticing tenants back into the building. Such things as towel service, adding extra showers, and also organising events. This is a great way to create a community within the building.
We are forward thinking in terms of how do we bring and retain occupiers. And that's the combination of things. That's about operating buildings in the right way. It's about continued engagement with the occupiers. It's about placemaking, but doing events which occupiers want to see.